A police constable and another man was shot by a gunman while walking home from a wake in Bogwalk, St. Catherine early this morning. They remain in hospital. It is reported that about 3:30 a.m. persons were at a wake in the area when explosions were heard. Subsequently, both men left the event for home. Upon reaching Pineapple Lane in the community, they were pounced upon by a gunman. The man reportedly fired several shots, hitting the police constable and the other man. The constable is said to have suffered injuries to his abdomen, while the other victim sustained gunshot injuries to his legs. Both were assisted to the Spanish Town Hospital where they were admitted. No motive has been established for the gun attack. The Bogwalk Criminal Investigation Branch is conducting a probe into the matter. Taxi driver and 3 of his passengers died after the vehicle he operated ran under a truck laden with cement along the Braco Main Road in Trelawny on Sunday morning. The driver and two of his passengers reportedly died on the spot, while a third passenger died at the hospital. The police have not yet released the identities of the deceased person. Reports are that about 8 a.m. a Toyota Probox motor car with the driver and passengers was being driven on the Braco Main Road heading toward Duncan's when the driver lost control of the vehicle, which ran into the back of the truck. The 7 occupants of the taxi suffered injuries, 4 of whom have died. 3 others are now admitted in hospital. A 2-year-old boy died from injuries he sustained in a motor vehicle crash on the Fort George Road in Onoto Bay, St. Mary on Saturday. Police have identified the toddler as Deshaun Bailey. According to the lawmen, Deshaun was a passenger in a white Toyota Nova motor vehicle. The police say the driver was heading in another direction when he failed to keep left. It is reported that the vehicle climbed an embankment and overturned. Deshaun was pronounced dead at the hospital.